How did you start this business?
I have been in business for the last 31 years. The first area of work was in the field of microbiology. We did a lot of developmental work in the field of microbiology, and food and pharmaceutical industry quality assurance was one of our major areas of work. We developed a number of systems for monitoring the quality of food and pharmaceutical products, and it was actually in 2004 or 5 when I was detected a diabetic that I started looking at food and health foods outside there for the diabetics to consume. And I realized that there was a vacancy. There were a number of products in this field were lacking. And that is how I came into the field of NutriValue. We established the brand NutriValue, and under which decided to produce a number of products which were basically fortified foods, health foods and nutraceuticals.
What are the USPs of your product?
What we basically did is look at products which were available out there. For example, things like biscuits. It's a common product which everybody consumes. But the biscuits available in the market were made from refined flour, or what we call as maida. We decided to make biscuits which did not contain maida. Also added to that ingredients from the Ayurveda, herbal ingredients, and fortified this with iron. So the biscuit became a wholesome meal, low calorie, but good protein, good calcium, good iron content, and other herbal influences and that were also extremely good for consumption.
What have been the major achievements in the last 1 month?
Over the last 6 years, we started this in 2006. Over the last 6 years, we have introduced around 18 to 20 products. There are health drinks, health food, there are other nutraceuticals as a part of this. And what we have found is, yes, these products are very highly appreciated by people who have taken this. People who understand development in the food industry have appreciated our efforts greatly. And we are most happy when a customer calls us to say that he has benefited out of consumption of this.
What infrastructure and marketing setup you have?
We are basically a marketing company, and all our product line, I have been in manufacturing for about 25-30 years, and I always looked at someone to take up our products for marketing and take them the world across. When we decided to get into the food sector, the FMCG sector, we wanted to focus on marketing as our basic strength. And this is what we have been doing. And fortunately now the modern retail systems are excellent for us to be able to present our products to the educated customer. And he is able to pick up a product, look at the ingredients, understand the value of the product, and choose it for himself. So that has given a very good market presence available for companies like us.
How much strong your company is in R&D?
Well, if you see, all the products that we have developed are not just run-of-the-mill products. There is definite development and R&D put into development of every one of the products. We cater to look at the nutritional value of the product. At the same time, we are looking to see that the taste of the product is also something which people greatly like, and not just a bearable taste for the nutritional food. So both considering the taste and the nutritional facts, we have worked on this.
Have you tapped the export market?
We have not ourselves made a conscious effort to start exporting, but we started getting a lot of export inquiries during the last 2-3 years, and many of our products are continuously being exported to export houses through various different countries. This year we do plan to make a concerted effort to see that we are open, many more countries are open to receiving NutriValue.
What would you like to say about quality standards?
Having worked in the quality control department for the last 20-25 years in the food and pharma, this is actually one of our major strengths. We ourselves have our own laboratories which do test the product for its quality. And We believe that it is quality that actually has the customer continuously tied to your brand.
Who are your major clients?
We are at this moment actually there in 3 to 4 metro cities, and the customer or the consumer is our direct client. We do supply to naval canteens and a few other institutions. In the modern retail, D-Mart, Big Bazaar, Wellness Forever, Tesco, these are our major clients that we can supply.
How do you look at opportunities for growth?
There is an immense possibility for the nutraceutical industry now, because everybody is realizing that what you eat is very important on the quality of health that you lead in your life. And therefore nutrition is becoming more and more important, and providing various different nutritional food options to the customer is going to be extremely interesting, challenging, and I think it will definitely be profitable in the long run.
What would you like to say about competition?
Many companies are now looking at this field, realizing that there is a vast potential. We have been there for the last 6-7 years, and the name has now become quite known to some number of customers. Online ordering also has increased a lot. So there will be many more companies out in the field, and we hope that customers get many more options for good quality food. As everybody is today so busy, both husband and wife, that there is hardly anybody who can give a home cooked food. So options which are ready-made but which are good nutritionally and quality-wise are something that we are going to need.
What are your views on branding and your brand?
Well, we have tried very consciously to build Nutri-Value brand with authenticity. The products that we put up there and the claims that we make, we have seen that they have to be authentic, and we have made that kind of impression on the people. It is consistency in your performance with the quality that you supply, with the kind of service that you give, the kind of novelty that you bring into your product. I think these actually build a brand. Just a huge level of aggressive advertising and being there for a few days doesn't necessarily build a brand. Building a brand takes a very long time, and it is something that has to come with consistency.
What are your future plans?
Well, we hope to build ourselves to a level where it will be a brand we reckon with, and also expect to take our product across to various other nations apart from India.
Any other important point or highlight you would like to share?
Well, it is not very easy to get into this particular industry, and there are many hurdles, right from the kind of distribution structures that we have, the kind of opportunities of being present in the various, but due to multiple number of companies coming into this industry, it is tougher to make your stand there. If you are able to once get an entry, either in the customer's mind or in the retail shop, then it is a possibility to move from there. But for new entrants, it is a very challenging thing.
Thank you.